Find the value of x and y given these two equations. 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2 and 5x plus 4y is equals to 1. Anytime you are given a pair of simultaneous equations, the best way to go about it is to express one of the variables in terms of the other. In our case, let's express x in terms of y, and then we are going to substitute that in the second equation. So let's take the first equation. We have 2x plus 3y is equals to 1.2. We want to express x in terms of y. So the first thing, we are going to take this y to this side. So on this left side, we are left with 2x is equals to 1.2. And then when the 3y goes to that side, it becomes negative. So 1.2 minus 3y. And then to express x in terms of y, we are going to divide through by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. By 2, 1, by 2, 1. On the left side, we are left with x is equals to, by 2, 1, by 2, this is going to be 0.6. So that's going to be 0.6 minus 3 out of 2y. So we have now expressed x in terms of y. Now we are going to take the second equation, this one right here, and we are going to replace the value of x with its expression in terms of y. So we are going to have 5 and then times x, but x is 0.6 minus 3 out of 2y, and then we have plus 4y. This is going to give us 1. So expanding this, we have 5 times 0.6. That's going to be 3, because 5 times 6, that's 30, then divide by 10. So minus, then 5 times 3, that's going to be 15, and then over 2y. Then we have plus 4y. This is equals to 1. Excuse me. So in this case, we are going to take this 3 to this side, and then on this side we are left with negative 15 over 2. That's the same as negative 7.5y plus 4y is equals to 1, and then when 3 goes to the right side, it becomes negative. So negative 7.5y plus 4y, that's going to be negative 3.5y. This is equals to 1 minus 3, which is negative 2. Then to get the value of y, we divide both sides by negative 3.5 divided by negative 3.5. So by negative 3.5, 1, by negative 3.5, 1. On the left side, we are left with y. This is equals to, the negatives are going to cancel each other. So this is the same as 2 over 3.5. But then what is 3.5? 3.5 is the same as 7 over 2. So this is the same as 2 all over 7 over 2. And this is the same as saying it's 2 times 2 over 7. So the value of y is 4 over 7. Now that we have the value of y, remember we had x in terms of y, right? We had it right here. So x is going to be 0.6 minus 3 out of 2 times y, and we've just found out that y is 4 out of 7. So 4 out of 7, and this is going to be 0.6 minus, by 2 this is going to be 1, by 2 this is going to be 2. So 3 times 2, that's going to give you 6 over 7. So this is the same as saying 0.6 is the same as 6 out of 10 minus 6 out of 7. So the LCM of 10 and 7, that's going to be 70. 70 divided by 10, 7 times 6, that's going to give you what, 42? Yeah, that's 42. Wait, is it 42 actually? Because 7 times 8, that's 56. 7 times 6. Oh god, what is 7 times 6? 7 times 7 is 35. Yeah, 42 actually. So that's 42 minus 70 divided by 7. That's going to be 10. Then 10 times 6, which is 60. So 42 minus 60, that is going to be negative 18 over 70. And then by 2, that's going to be negative 9. By 2, that's going to be 35. So we are left with the value of x is negative 9 over 35. Yes. So for this question, x was equals to negative 9 over 35 and y was equals to 4 over 7. And that's the answer.